Moving on to the next topic, we will learn about convergent and divergent sequences. Now, as the name states, convergent is something that is coming to some constant number. It's the same number. Whereas divergent, it just diverges. It doesn't have a standard value or a set value. It just varies infinitely. It just keeps on going. So now when they give you a question like this and ask to find whether it's convergent and divergent, it's simple. It's better to get a graph. Now over here, you need to find a few terms at least, then only you can graph it. So the first 8 terms for the sequence are so and so. How do we do it is, put over here, the first term is A1. We have done this before. Instead of n, you're putting 1. So it is minus 3 plus 12. That is equal to plus, over here, minus 3 plus 12 will be plus 9. Okay, now over here you can consider this as 0 generally. Over here, the first a naught, you start with a naught, so it is 0, it will be 12, then it will be 9, then over here it is 2, 12 minus 6 will be 6, 3, 2, 0, minus 3, and so on. So you can try it. Over here, I'll just tell the starting sequences. It started from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So there are from 0 to 7, they are found out. And now let us see the graph. Over here, the graph is something like this. So over here, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Now, is it coming towards a single digit? No, it does not approach any finite number. You can't say, okay, this is going towards, a proper limit, say it is minus 8. No, it just keeps on going. So this is a divergent sequence. Let us see an example for convergent. Now convergent means it should come close to a single digit. Now same way over here, A1 is given. You can find the next term with the previous terms. So it's greater than or equal to. So what you need to do is over here, to find A2, you need to put this A1 over here, half times 36. Half of 36 is basically 18, and then half of 18 is not, it just keeps on going. So over here, half of 36 is 18. Sorry, I forgot the minus sign. So very important to put the minus sign. It will be 18. Then half of negative 18, this minus minus becomes plus. It will be 9, and so on. Just try this. In this equation, just the previous term is 36. Put over here 36 and solve. Minus half into 36. You will get this answer. Then put over here minus half into minus 18. You will get this answer. Then put 9, it will be negative 4.5. And keep on trying, you will get different values. You can see over here 36, minus 18, 9, minus 4.5. What is happening? It is coming towards a single digit. You can see as you keep on increasing the domain, domain is this values. X is like say 50 or 100. As you go further, it is approaching 0. That is the limit. It will be approaching a proper number, a single number, that is 0. And this sequence has a limit. That means it's approaching a particular number. And therefore it is convergent because it is coming close to a single digit. That is, it's coming close to 0. This is the convergent sequence. Now it's time for you. Please do pause the video right now over here and try to solve this problem by yourself. Doesn't matter it's right or wrong, just attempt and then we will solve it together. I hope some of you at least tried it, at least found few of the values, because it is a bit confusing, Now let us find the values. Not few terms, over here 12 terms are taken just to understand it thoroughly. A1, A3, A5, A1, A2 is over here. All the odd numbers and even numbers are separate. Why? Because odd numbers will be negative, even numbers will be positive. How do you get these numbers? Again, I'll repeat. Just that you have to put this 1 over here, n value. N is 1, A1. Put over here instead of n as 1, and you can solve it in calculator. If you want A8, all you need to do is put over here 8, 8, 8, and just solve. Will be minus 1 the whole power 8, sorry, into 8 divided by 4 times 8 plus 1. Put it in the calculator, you will get the answer. So very straightforward. Now when you graph it, now look at this. What is happening? Over here, you're going towards a value of positive 0.25, and over here it's negative 0.25 or so on. So similar to, it's coming towards a limit, but there are two limits. Is it convergent or divergent? Think for a while. Convergent means it must come to a single value. It must be the same. This and this must be the same value. It must be only one. It should come, say, for example, 0.1 or 0.05. It must be the same value. But over here, they are coming towards two different values. So it is divergent. See, it is approaching negative 1 by 4 over here at the odd numbers and positive 1 by 4 the even numbers. And they are not coming towards the same value. They are going towards two different values. And hence, they are divergent sequence. They are not convergent, they are divergent.